Okay, so while we're still talking up here in the front of the hoist, here is the pocket wheel. And you'll notice that pocket wheel is a 5-pocket wheel. And there's something else to note here is this downhold and also the chain guide are both made of a fiberglass reinforced nylon material. And that's this very high durability. And you'll notice, and we'll talk about this when we take the other hoist apart, but you'll notice these are the limit switches. And they are actually not, these are not the switches themselves, these are limit switch actuators. And we'll talk about why that's important in a few minutes. But this downhold is this piece right here, and that match set like this completely encompasses that chain throughout the whole travel through that pocket wheel. So that's it really protects the chain a lot. And you'll notice, unlike other metal or steel chain guides, this is not going to wear your chain. This is made to be a sacrificial piece, very highly durable, but minimal chain wear or no chain wear through the actual chain guide.